Inflation, stagflation, deflation, China. How does all this work out? Stay tuned and find out. Hello, welcome to the Wealth Transfer. I am Terry Sacka, the Chief Strategist, and we've been talking a lot about on this program over the last couple years about China and how China was building this thing called the Silk Road. Now, this goes back thousands of years, and the Silk Road basically is a trade route. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up again is because we're having an issue. Although everything is looking great in our country, well, the perception of it anyway, is things are doing better. Obviously, policy is definitely driving economic growth. We are seeing money being recapitalized back to the United States. We are seeing corporations hiring. People are hiring. We have unemployment low in sections of the population that normally was not. But the interesting thing is we still hold a very real figure that we have to address. And that is that, and if you go to shadow statistics anyway, which basically means if you take the economic model calculations that were from the 1990s, we right now today hold a 21% plus unemployment and over 10% plus inflation. Now, those are very real numbers, folks, and you can't debate the numbers. Problem is, right now, and all this money printing frenzy we're seeing globally, the manipulation to the numbers are showing what you see that paints this rosy picture. So the question comes, or let's go to this. Investors are not sure if they're in an inflationary, deflationary, or stagflationary. Now, just in the bottom line, inflation basically means prices going up. Deflation means prices are coming down. Stagflation means we're just kind of flopping around like a fish out of water. Well, these numbers that I just displayed to you with inflation and unemployment, these are very real. Now, yes, we are seeing positive trends in some areas. And yes, we are having some positive results in policy, I think globally, as well as internally with, Christians' freedom, religious rights, and, such of judges and giving us back maybe some space towards the patriotic. But the bottom line is the economy, the finances globally is still there. Nothing has changed. And, when people come in and they start talking about how do I protect and preserve myself the best? Well, the stock market is what they're pumping because everything is going so well. Unemployment's so low that we have, all this economic driving and all this revenue being created in the stock market. But the fact is the stock market's still way off the high for the year. It really hasn't gone anywhere. And these numbers aren't exactly real. Now, I'm positive because if we had gone the other direction, we would be fully slammed right now with social justice warrior mentality and the complete breakdown of anything constitutional or free. We're unfortunately seeing that even at the executive levels of the public service, tremendous amount of corruption and behavior coming out of the Inspector General report. That's very disturbing only because it's polarizing. Our nation's already polarized. And when you think about